Hello everyone. Hope you are good in health. In our previous session, we learned dispersion of white light by a glass prism. We saw that any light that gives a spectrum similar to that of sunlight is often referred to as white light. A rainbow is a natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. In our previous session, we learned about spectrum, right? What is it? It is the band of colored components of a light beam. This means the colors which we get from the dispersion of light is called the spectrum, the band of colors. Here, rainbow is an example of dispersion of sunlight. We all have seen the rainbow which appears after a rain shower, right? Why is it caused? It is caused because of the dispersion of sunlight. Here we will consider sunlight as white light, and we know that any light which gives a spectrum is considered as white light. Here also we get a spectrum band of colors. That is why sunlight is also considered as white light. So the dispersion of sunlight by tiny water droplets gives us a rainbow. We all know that a rainbow is always formed in a direction opposite to that of the sun. So here in this image also you can see that there is two types of different sides are present. One side there is a sunny part, and on the other side there is a cloudy part. So in this type of situation, we see a rainbow, and it is obvious that when we stand by facing our back towards the sun, then we are able to see the rainbow, which means a rainbow is always formed in a direction opposite to that of the sun. In the opposite direction of the sun, rainbow is always formed. Here, we need to consider water droplets as small prisms because these water droplets act like prism, and we have learnt dispersion by a glass prism, right? So now let us see how actually rainbow is formed. First of all, a ray of white light, which is sunlight, when it enters to a water droplet, or else we can say it as a rain droplet. When it enters, refraction is taken place, which means a ray of white light will slightly bend when it passes from one medium to another. That means when a ray of light is traveling from air medium to water medium, which is a raindrop, that time it will get refracted. It means it will get slightly bent and disperses the incident sunlight. There, secondly, dispersion will take place. And we all know dispersion is the splitting of light into its component colors. So first of all, refraction will take place, and then secondly, dispersion will take place of the incident sunlight, and then reflection will take place. Kindly understand it properly. Refraction and reflection, both the phenomena are occurring here. Thirdly, reflection will take place. We all know what is reflection of light, right? When a ray of light incidents on any surface, it bounces back. And bouncing back of this ray of light is known as reflection of light. Here, the word is used that the ray of light reflected internally. This means internal reflection will occur. What is the meaning of internal reflection? Internal reflection means complete reflection of a ray of light within a medium. Now, we all know that when a ray of light enters from air into a raindrop or a water droplet, so that within a water droplet or within a raindrop, reflection will take place, and that is called internal reflection. When reflection takes place within a medium, here it is water, so within that water drop, when reflection takes place, then it is known as internal reflection. And as a result, different colors reach the observer's eye. As we see in the diagram also, a ray of white light is shown, and then that ray reaches traveling from air medium to water medium, and that is raindrop. So you need to remember here three things will happen: refraction, dispersion, and internal reflection. So let us once again revise it. White light, which is sunlight, that is striking on the water droplet, which means a ray of light is entering from air medium to water medium. Three things will happen: refraction, reflection, and then dispersion also. So first of all, what will happen? Refraction, which means a ray will slightly bend because of difference in medium. Then dispersion will happen. And what is that dispersion? Splitting of light into its colored components. And thirdly, reflection will take place, and that is bouncing back of the ray of light. And because of these three phenomena occurring together, different colors reach to the observer's eye. And lastly, again refraction is taken place and it comes out of the raindrop. So these steps you need to remember. First step, refraction takes place, dispersion takes place, reflection takes place, and again when the ray is coming out, that time again refraction will take place. Now do you think why again refraction is taking place? Because the ray is coming out from the water medium to air medium, and because of change in the medium, again there will be bending of ray of light. That is why again refraction will take place. And due to dispersion of light, different colors observers will be able to see. You can also see a rainbow on a sunny day when you look at the sky through a waterfall. That time also you will be able to see a rainbow. Or else on a sunny day when you look at the sky through a water fountain with the sun behind you. There you will be able to see the formation of rainbow. So this is all about formation of rainbow.